Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share today a video about how I make my gel polish last for a really long time. Now last night I took my gel polish off and I'd actually had it on for 3.5, nearly 4 weeks, which is probably the longest I've ever left it on. And I'm just going to show you what they looked like yesterday. As you can see, they look fine, but there was quite a big gap around the base of my nail where they had grown away. So what I thought I would do is just come on and show you what I do, the things that I do to make my nail polish last for a really long time. It saves you money, but it also saves you time. So I was doing my gel nails about every 2 weeks. Now I can push it to 3 and sometimes 3.5 weeks and get away with it. So I just wanted to show you what I do with these steps. I am still using the Mylee nail collection that I bought last year, so with the Mylee lamp. But I'm using some different nail polishes today. I'm using the Lavender Violets nail polish set. I'm just going to show that to you. Really beautiful set, and I will do a proper review on it. Now it comes with a really lovely base coat and top coat, and then a selection of glitter nail polishes. So I'm going to be doing a glitter nail polish today. I am going to be using the Blue Sky base coat and top coat that came with my Mylee lamp, only because I've got some left and I want to use it. But I'm going to use a Lavender Violets glitter nail polish today. So let's get started with the steps. I have already filed and buffed my nails ready to put the polish on today. It's really important to make sure that your nails are clean and they are completely dry, and that you've got no moisturiser on or oil whatsoever before you put the polish on. Just using my Mylee nail prep polish wipe as I would normally, and I'm just going to go over each nail. I always make sure that I also go across the very ends of my nail. Now I'm just going to wait a few moments to make sure that they're completely dry before I put the base coat on. So I'm going to be using the Blue Sky base coat and the Blue Sky top coat today. I'm then going to apply 2 coats of the base coat, and I am going to set my lamp to 30 seconds curing time for each coat of the base coat. And it's really important that you load the end of your nail with the base coat. So now I'm going to apply my top coat, and I'm going to use this Lavender Violets. It's kind of like a very purpley colour with hints of glitter in it. So I am going to apply 3 coats, making sure that I put plenty on the ends of my nails to cap them. Now I'm just about to do my 3rd coat. The nail varnish does actually go on fairly thick, so this is going to be my 3rd and final coat of the colour. So I've now done 2 coats of base coat, and I've done 3 coats of the top coat, and I am happy with the thickness of the nail varnish. I don't like to go any thicker than that. Now at this point I am actually going to put on another layer of base coat, and I am going to be putting quite a bit on the ends to cap off the ends. And I'm going to cure that now for 60 seconds. I'm then going to put on a coat of the top coat. Again, I'm going to be capping the ends quite a bit because really that's the vulnerable part of the nail that can start to chip the most easily. So put plenty on the ends, even if you go in a different direction, and then down the length of the nail. And I'm going to cure that now for 60 seconds. The final thing that I do is I go over my nails again with some nail polish prep. This is what helps to seal the nails and make them go hard. Now the very final thing that I like to do is I keep a very small pot of coconut oil in my makeup bag with my nail stuff, and what I do is I just get a little orange stick and I pop some coconut oil on my cuticles. Now what I've found is if I do this regularly, it keeps my cuticles soft, they don't go dry. The dryness for me starts to affect the nail polish. So if I keep my cuticles in really lovely condition, keep them really moisturised, and put coconut oil by the side of my bed, then my nail polish seems to last even longer. The other thing is I don't put my hands in really hot water. I do use washing up gloves, and I use gloves as much as possible for household tasks, be it in the garden or doing DIY. So there we go, I've finished one hand and I need to do the other one. Really happy with how they turned out. Those are the things that I do to make my nails stay on for a really long time. I always keep moisturising my hands and putting the coconut oil on, and just being sensible when I'm doing household tasks to use gloves. So I hope that's helped some of you. Leave any comments down below. I'd love to know if there's anything else that you do to make your nails stay on longer, or just let me know if it works for you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!